Hello everyone, this is Gautam here. So today is 4th July. And I'm just recording this video. So we will just look into the three important levels where Nifty can reverse or it can break out. Okay. So the high level is 24,350, the low level is 24,150, and the midpoint is 24,250. So if Nifty breaks this level and makes a candle closure above this, you should expect for retest and you should look for a call option entry, okay, or a long entry. And if it opens near the midpoint, you should have your additional points to confirm that the call option is strong, and you should look for retest at the midpoint and you can go for 24,000. You can go for entry at the midpoint and you can wait till it reaches 24,350, okay. What if it opens near the lower end of trading range, which is 24,150, and it closes above this, and you can expect a retest over the lower part, and then you can wait for a target of 24,250. Okay, so let me add these long positions for you. Okay, yeah. So these are three probabilities for a long setup for today's market. Okay, now let's go for short entries. So if the market opens over this area, and if there is a candle closure below this line, okay, which is 24,350, you can expect a retest over here, and then you can have a target of 24,250, which is the midpoint. Okay, so let me add this. Okay, so and the second short position probability is that if the market opens around the midpoint, okay, you should have your additional clues or points where you think that put option is stronger. You can wait for a candle closure below this area and you can expect a retest, and you can wait till 24,150. So the market can travel from 24,250 to 24,150. So this is the second short position. The third short position is that if the market breaks 24,150, okay, you should expect a retest at the level and the market can go downwards. Okay, so these are three short positions and these are three long positions, and if this area is broken, you will have to, it's like an original breakout. Okay, so the thing is, yesterday's, if you had watched yesterday's video, you can see that it sustained above the side level, and that is the importance of the side level. Okay, in the same way, if the market sustains above, below this low level, it is very important that it should not close above this. Okay, it should remain in this range. If it closes above this, then the direction is changing. It can travel from this low to the midpoint. Okay, so just make use of this. Okay, an additional point is that actually US market ended in green today, and then like yesterday, and then there was a Fed announcement that Fed will not reduce the interest rate until the inflation is going to be 2%. Okay, so this was the Fed minutes after US market hours, and let's see how the market reacts today. And yesterday in US it was an off trading day, where the market was closed at 1 p.m. Okay, so yeah, I think I just pretty much covered everything for today's market. So these are the key important levels. Wait for a candle closure and go for a retest entry, so that will be useful for you. Yeah, okay, have a good trading day, guys. See you after the market. Bye.